Hey guys, Tasche here, and I'm super excited to be talking with you today. Guys, today we're talking about a brand new video software that's coming out from Todd and Matt Bush called Easy Magic Video. Now, you may have seen or heard of or even purchased some of the other software underneath their Easy Video suite. However, with Easy Magic Video, they're taking video production to a whole new level. In fact, they're going to blow the roof off it. Now, I want you to think about this for a second. With Easy Magic Video, you'll be able to take live human spokespersons, okay, and control what they say in your videos. Now think about that for a second. Okay? Live human spokespersons, and you control what they say. Now, we've had software in the past, great software in fact, that where you can take an animated character and decide and control what they say. And that's pretty cool because it's been known that having a spokesperson in your videos actually increases conversions dramatically. But when you take that and you have a live human spokesperson, that's going to 10x or even 100x your conversions, okay? In fact, with Easy Magic Video, you're going to get a choice of several spokespersons, and among them, you can actually have Todd Gross himself speak in your videos. You control what Todd says, and in Todd's own voice, he will speak on your behalf in your videos. Imagine, for a second, having the most highly paid and highly regarded spokesperson in the internet marketing field speaking on your behalf in your videos. Imagine what that's going to do for your conversions. Now, Easy Magic Video is being released on May 14th, 2018 at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay? And they're doing a pre-launch webinar around an hour before the product goes live. So at 7 p.m. there's going to be a pre-launch webinar. And I'm going to be emailing out my review of the product around that same time. So 7 p.m. the webinar starts, and I'm also going to send my review out via email. This way, it gives you a chance to see what I think about the software. You'll see a demo of the software, I'll do a demo as well, and then you can make a decision on taking action to get it for yourself. Now, if you're not on my email, a couple things first. If you're watching this video here on my webpage, okay, you'll see a button down below that's going to lead you to my actual review. When the review is live, that button will go and lead you take you to my review. Okay. If you're not on my email list, and maybe you're watching this on YouTube, for example, click the link in the description, and that's going to take you to this page where there'll be that live button, take you to my review. Okay. But if you are on my email list, you'll receive my review via email anyway, about an hour before the product goes live. Okay. Now, I'm also putting together a bonus package as well to go along with the software to help you give you a little more value and kind of help you enhance your usage of the software. However, I want you to keep this in mind. So the software is launching May 14th at 8 p.m. Eastern, and its launch is closing at 11:59 p.m. on the 19th. Okay. Now, a couple things are going to happen. After the launch closes, if the product is still for sale, I can guarantee the price is going to go up. In fact, it might go to a monthly price. Also, when the launch closes, the bonuses are going to be taken away. All right. Also, as with most product launches, you're going to get the best price the earlier you purchase it. Okay. So if you purchase it the earliest part of the launch, as soon as it goes live, you're going to get the best price. If you wait during the launch phase until it closes, you're going to be paying more. Okay. So, to get the best price, make sure you grab it at the beginning of the launch. And to secure your bonuses, make sure you pick it up as early as you possibly can. Okay? With that, guys, this is Kurt. Thanks for watching. This is a software I'm super excited about. I'm going to be using this for all my promotions from now on. You're going to see how excited I am when I show you the demo that I'm going to be doing. With that, guys, thanks for watching. Look forward to catching you in the next video. See you soon.